Ever heard of a soldier who shot himself because of a sneeze? It sounds like a dark joke or a twisted cartoon gag. But this strange accident actually happened in the middle of a war zone. Let's rewind to a moment where one unexpected sneeze turned into a full-blown battlefield injury. It was World War I, a war of trenches, tension, and hair-trigger nerves. Soldiers lived under constant threat: enemy fire, gas attacks, and exhaustion. Weapons were always within reach, and sometimes that was the problem. In the British trenches, Private Henry Farr was on guard duty. He was cold, tired, his rifle loaded, finger on the trigger. And then he sneezed. In that split second, the rifle jerked upward. Boom! He accidentally fired the weapon, straight into his own shoulder. Reports said he was startled by his own sneeze, lost control, and pulled the trigger involuntarily. Medical teams rushed to his side. Miraculously, he survived. But what happened next was even stranger. Despite the obvious nature of the injury, some commanders believed the wound might have been self-inflicted on purpose to escape combat. During World War I, wounding oneself was considered desertion by injury, a crime that could lead to execution. Private Farr was investigated. Only after multiple testimonies and a doctor's exam was he cleared of intentional harm. That sneeze nearly cost him his life. Twice. This wasn't an isolated case. The trenches were full of nervous accidents, guns misfiring during sleep, bayonets dropped on boots, even explosions caused by soldiers tripping while carrying grenades. Private Farr's story became one of the most bizarre, often retold to warn others. Keep your weapon down and cover your nose. So yes, one man literally shot himself because of a sneeze. In a war full of horror and tragedy, this strange moment reminds us. Sometimes it's not the enemy you need to fear. It's your own body at the wrong moment. Want your own fascinating videos? Click the link in the description to get started today.